Hi guys, let's do another important video, this time of a earthquake that has hit Japan on the 16th of March. Okay, a powerful earthquake hit Japan on the eastern coast of Japan, and as I said, it has happened on the 16th of March. Initially, the earthquake was thought to be of 7.3 magnitude, but then it was upgraded to 7.4 magnitude by the USGS. Four people were killed and over 90 people injured. Lots of buildings were damaged. 7.4 is considered strong. Anything above 7 is considered very strong. I'll let you guys read it there from the internet, okay? Thank God there was no tsunami warning. As I said, first it was reported to be a 7.3 magnitude earthquake. Then they upgraded to 7.4. Okay guys, now I want you to see what I dreamed a few weeks ago on the 1st of February. There, as you can see, the title is Earthquake in India, and I'll let you guys read it. I hope you guys can read it. I don't know why it's blurry, this thing. I knew it, a 7.3 magnitude earthquake will hit in that region, either India or any countries in that area in Asia. It hasn't happened to India, it has happened to Japan. So I knew it, guys, in what region of the world the earthquake will hit and approximately what magnitude. But the only difference is I thought 2,000 people will be killed. In fact, only 4 people were killed and over 90 injured. I don't know if you guys can read it there. So guys, apart from me, who knew things like that? Thank you for watching. Please share it, okay? I hope you guys understand what goes on in my life every single day. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel.